Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, place the lamp on a stable surface and confirm the battery level is at least 50% or that it's plugged in. Press and hold the power switch for 2 seconds to wake the unit. You'll hear a click or see an LED. Once powered, tap the mode button to cycle to steady or SOS. Choose steady for area lighting. Make sure the lens faces the target area and that vents are unobstructed, because airflow prevents overheating during extended use. You now refine output and direction. Press the mode button to move from low to high, and note that strobe and SOS are for signaling, not long-term illumination. Once you've selected brightness, adjust the swivel head or mount the lamp on a tripod socket to aim the beam exactly where you need it. If the model supports dimming, use short presses to fine-tune. If it has a lock feature, engage it to avoid accidental changes while operating. And you finish by managing runtime and knowing what to do if something goes wrong. When battery hits about 20%, switch to low mode or power save to extend runtime. Carry a spare battery if you expect long use. If the lamp won't power on, make sure the battery is fully seated, the fuse or connector isn't damaged, and the charging cable is functional. If it becomes hot, immediately turn it off. Ventilate and allow it to cool for 15 to 20 minutes before retrying. That usually clears most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.